Did you hear what Ethan said to the teacher?
Yes, it was quite impudent.
He should apologize for being so disrespectful.
Impudent is an adjective that describes someone who is rude, disrespectful, or boldly shows a lack of respect, especially toward a person in authority.
Why did Mom look so angry?
My brother gave her an impudent reply.
He needs to learn to speak more respectfully.
His impudent behavior during the meeting annoyed everyone.
The impudent student interrupted the teacher during the lesson.
The waiter was fired for his impudent attitude toward customers.